How to fix Wi-Fi not working on Samsung Smart TV. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio. So if you have any Samsung Smart TV and the Wi-Fi is not working, then this video is only for you. I'll go ahead and show you the step-by-step guide of how you can fix any Wi-Fi related issue on any Samsung Smart TV. So let's get started. Well, so if the Wi-Fi is not working, the very first thing that you have to do, you just need to come to the home page of your smart TV, and from the home page you just need to go all the way to the left until you get to see the settings option. You'll get to see the settings option. You just need to go and press OK from here, and this is going to show up all the settings of your TV. Now the very next thing that you have to do, you just need to come down to the general section. You'll get to see the general option and press the right arrow button in order to get into the general settings. And from the general settings, you just need to come down to the network and then press OK. And inside the network, you'll get to see the first option, network status. So if you press OK, this is going to show you network details, but when not get into this one, we're just going to get back and select the second option, open network settings. And once you're here inside your network settings, this is going to show you your connected device. So if you have wireless connection, you can go through the first one, or if you have wired connection, you can select the second one. So I already connected to my Wi-Fi connection and it's not working. So you have to just select the wireless and then press OK. And once you get into this one, this is going to show you that your Wi-Fi is connected. So if you're experiencing the problem, then all you have to do is just to come down to the bottom here. You'll get to see the refresh and come to the right side, the manage saved network. You just need to press OK once you select that, and it's going to show you all the saved networks. So the first one is my Wi-Fi connection. So I'm going to press OK in order to select the network connection, and then come to the right side and select the delete button from here and then press OK. And once you do that, the network connection will be deleted, and you just need to close this up. I'm gonna press the close button here, and this is gonna source the network once again. Now go ahead and select your network connection once again, the Wi-Fi connection, and enter the password once again. So I'm gonna enter the password here and then press done. This is going to take a little time, and your Wi-Fi will be reconnected, and see if that fixes your problem or not. In most cases, your problem is going to be solved, but if in any case, if you still have the problem, then the last and final thing that you can do, you just need to get into the main settings in the general and then select the network once again. And from here, go ahead and scroll down to this option called a reset network. You just need to reset the network settings to the default, but make sure this will delete your Wi-Fi password and other network settings that you have customized. So just go ahead and select the reset and select the yes button and then press OK, and this will reset the network settings and reconnect your Wi-Fi, and most likely your problem is going to be solved. And this is how you actually can fix the Wi-Fi not working on any Samsung Smart TV. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.